In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to actually make trading a legitimate business. But before we get started, let's define a business. A business is something that produces income. Employees get a salary and the owner takes a cut. That's what a business really is. Now, most people online, they are learning trading more like a hobby or like the skill they want to learn, that maybe they'll have a moonshot one day. Maybe they'll get lucky on GME one day. But you can't really rely on that as a business. Your bills are due monthly. When do you have to pay your mortgage? Every month. When do you have to pay your car payment? Every month. When do your bills come? Every month. So if we're waiting for that moonshot trade to hit, maybe Tesla's going to go to 1,000, maybe GME is going to go one day, and it might as well will, right? Maybe, who knows? Your bills are due monthly. So we got to make trading into a business, which means it's got to produce monthly reliable income. And the only way you can do that is not trading as a gambler, but trading as a profession. Trading should be kind of like a job. If you're too excited coming into the markets, the adrenaline's pumping, you're doing something wrong. You're most likely gambling or risking more than you should. Trading should be like every day should be level-headed right here. Most traders are like this all the time. You got to be right here. It's just another day. Markets are moving. It's just another day. But our goal is to make a consistently reliable income. Now, how do we do that? Now, here's what most people think trading is. I buy, put all of my account in this one stock, and then I'm going to make $100,000. Or I'm going to buy this option and it's going to maybe triple and I'm going to make a big buck. But good traders, we're focused on singles and doubles and singles and doubles. Guess what? Singles and doubles add up. If you're a good trader, you're going to hit a home run now and again. It's just law of averages, right? It's going to naturally happen. One day you're going to wake up, your stock's just up big time, and you're going to be really happy. And I like those happy moments too. Don't get me wrong. But those should be moments. But that can't be every single day. Every single day should be the average day. Singles and double, quality over quantity. The biggest thing I've seen being in this business for 15 years now and trading and coaching traders for 10 years, people who've stuck around, they are very disciplined. They have a daily goal in mind. They take that daily goal, they shut up their laptop, and they're out. The novice traders that I've seen, I log into my chat room and I'm like, what are you doing? It's like 2:30 p.m. Why are you still here? Why are you still trading? I think there's more trades out. I'm just in these 3 stocks right now. I'm like, what are you doing, right? Like, good traders, you can be done. Like, I am done usually by 11 a.m. 10:45 a.m. most days, I'm done trading. I focus on 9:30 to 10:45. If I hit my daily goal, I am out. I don't mess around all day, because you, like me, can probably relate to this. How many of times have you hit your daily profit target in the morning, but then in the hopes of making more, you keep trading? And what does the end of the day look like? Chances are you probably gave it all back, or some of it all back. Whereas if you quit while you were ahead, you would have done a great job. So singles and doubles is the absolute key. Now, let me break down the math for you so you can see how all of these things add up. Most traders online, they're posting these P&Ls. Oh, I made 10,000 on this trade, 20,000 on that trade. But I never see how the end of the month, right? Because to make that amount of money in one trade, you have to also risk that amount of money. So if you're risking that amount of money, you're also going to have losers along the way. So you never hear about the downsides by these things. But now, if you want to make, let's say, $20,000 a month, guys, that's almost $900 a day. It's not much when I put it like that, right? It doesn't sound like much, right? To make $20,000 a month, which I'm sure a lot of you guys would love to have that right now, because that's $240,000 a year trading from home, 1 hour a day, okay? To do that, you only need like $900 to $1,000 every day. That's it. So think about this math. You take an options trade. You take 10 contracts off that option. That option goes up 30 cents. What did you make? $300. You do that 3 times a day. 30 cent, 30 cent, 30 cent. You made 90 cents, right? You made $900. Close your laptop, walk away. Do that every day. End of the month, you're going to make $20,000 a month. Now, sure, every day you're not going to make every single day 90 cents. Some days you might make 60 cents. Some days you might make 30 cents. Some days you might be losing 30 cents. Some days you might lose $1, right? And then some days you're going to get maybe 3 to 5 trades a day, or you get more out of the winner. You maybe get 50 cents to 60 cents on one trade. Now you're making $2, $3 per day, right? $2,000 or $3,000 a day. $1 million is $4,000 a day. $240,000 a year is $900 a day. That's how you want to break it down. Once you break it down like that, that goal of achieving 6 figures in trading now looks more attainable. When I tell people, hey, what do you want to make? I want to make 6 figures a year. They're like, I don't know if I can do that. I'm like, what about $900 a day? They're like, yeah, I think I can do that. I'm like, yeah, that's 6 figures. That's what gets you to that number. So focus on that. And that's something members in our chat room are doing every single day. And I do that live in front of them. I will typically trade anywhere from 2 to 5 trades a day, some with options, some with stocks. When it comes to stocks, I'm trying to get 1 to 2 R, right? That's all I'm trying to get. And I might do maybe 1 or 2 trades with stocks every single day. That alone, if those 2 trades work, will already surpass my goal and get me $2,000 or more per day. Then I add on top my options trade. Maybe I do 2 or 3 option scalps, 30, 40 cents each on that trade. Now I get another $2 a day. So if I get $3,000 to $4,000 at the end of the year, if I average that every single day, I'm going to be doing pretty good. So you want to break down your goals like that. I think a lot of people overtrade. They think they have to keep trading. They have to keep trading to make more money. But when you finally actually do the numbers, what do I need per month? What do I need per week? What do I need per day? What do I need per trade? Then you start seeing that your goals that you have are not this far out goal. They're actually achievable. But you have to be in that mindset of singles and doubles, and quiet that voice. I call it the idiot brain, and I have it too. So trust me, I have it too. There's this voice every trader has. Anmol, this is the one. This is the one you should hold on to. You should put more money on this one. It's gonna go. And naturally, market teaches us this lesson, right? We all need to learn those lessons. But professional traders might learn those lessons like 3 times a year, right? We all have those moments. But novice traders, they learn those lessons every single week, every single day, because you keep listening to that voice. I will ignore that voice like 95% of the time. 5% of the time, I'll end up listening, right? Because I'm also human. So it goes to show no matter how long you've been trading, you're going to have that voice, but you got to quiet it down, because the results in trading will only come if you can just, what I said in the last video, find a plan, back test a plan, know the numbers of that plan, and just execute that plan. If you can do that, you're going to get to your goals. If you start listening to this voice, but there was a Reddit article that said GME is coming back, Tesla Robotaxi is going to take it to $1,000. Oh, but this is the next penny stock or this biotech stock. They're going to get this cancer drug approval. We start listening to the voices, and those voices will eventually let you down. They will give you success this one time, but our selective memory, our cognitive biases will remember that one trade that I was right on. It'll forget all the 20 trades you lost money on. And in trading, our account tells us the whole truth. Where are you in your account right now? Can you commit to doing singles and doubles? What is your daily goal? Comment under this video. I want you to take a yearly goal and be realistic, right? Don't be one of those guys. I want to make $1 million in trading, but I only have 10,000 in my account. Do the math. How much percentage is that? You're not going to get there. So be realistic based on your current account size. How much would you like to make every single year? Then break it down. What does that mean I need per month, per week, per quarter, per trade? And a comment below, and you will start to see the reality that you don't need a lot. You just need 1 to 3 good trades a day. And then add on top your swing trades, add on top your long-term stuff. That's how you make trading into a career. So again, if you want some accountability and you want some live feedback from me, then again, feel free to join our community. There should be a link in the description. It's only $1 to try us out. We go live every single day, Monday to Friday. I'm on the mic every day from 9 o'clock till about 11 o'clock. And then another one of our coaches, Stefan, he comes on from 11 to 12. And some days you'll get Coach Luke. He's going to come on and do live sessions as well. There's hundreds of traders around the world, so there's a lot you can learn from that, and it's only $1. All right, so if you love this video, I think you're really going to love this one. In this video, I actually show you live examples of trades that I actually took real time in my trading room, and you're going to get to see what real trades look like, because it's one thing to learn the chart, but it's another thing to watch it live. So I think you really enjoyed this video.